Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again everyone. These are my Peerless 300 handcuffs I got today. They are sturdy and well built. They are only a single pawl locking mechanism which opens up a number of attacks. However, for this demonstration I will show how a shim can unlock the double lock and then allow to shim out of the cuffs. The keyway is very restrictive compared to other brands, so this seemed to be the most logical attack. So let's look at that again without my grubby paws in the way. This set of cuffs has its double lock reset sat really close to the keyway. This allows us to just reach in with our tool, go to the bottom of the keyway, lean the tool back slightly and apply a lateral force resetting the lock. This seems to be a model-specific exploit. And here we see it in action again. And that's how you defeat double locked Peerless 300 handcuffs with just a shim. Stay safe and I will see you all next time.